Scary news is you're on your own now. The cool news is you're on your own now.
From sprinkler splashes to fireplace ashes, I gave my blood, sweat, and tears for this. I hosted parties and starved my body like I'd be saved by a perfect kiss. The jokes weren't funny, I took the money. My friends from home don't know what to say. I looked around in a blood-soaked gown and I saw something they can't take away. 'Cause there were pages turned with the bridges burned. Everything you lose is a step you take. So make the friendship race. Let's take the moment and taste it. You got no reason to be afraid. You're on your own, kid. Yeah, you can face this. You're on your own, kid. You always have been.
So no one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you're broke. Your love life's the old way.
Hi Kim, happy birthday.
It's like you're always
Salamat
stuck
kasi
in second
since 2014, since college days, ganun. Yung friendship, parang isang aya lang, andyan ka agad. Parehas tayo mga kalentarin. Mamimiss ko yung ganun. Ingat ka sa kung saan ka man pupunta.
Happy birthday, Kim.
Happy birthday.
Good luck sa yung journey. Ingat palagi.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
like I've been there before. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. You're still in bed at 10 and work begin at 8, yeah. You've burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when the world has brought you down to your knees. That I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there
Hi,
for
Kim.
you, 'cause you're there
This is
for
a message for you. All I wanna say is good luck sa mga journey mo sa New Zealand. Alam ko na, dati lagi ko na is Switzerland, but it's New Zealand, so good luck sa journey mo doon. Kung namimiss ka namin, for sure namimiss ka namin. Ingat, good luck, and congratulations, congrats sa new journey na tatahakin mo. Ingat ka doon. Chat ka lang, message naman kami if usap or kabaratagulan. Ito lang kami, may GC naman tayo, na rin naman natin GC. See you soon. This is not a goodbye. This is see you next time. And see you soon. Okay? Walang goodbye. Walang goodbye. Payaman ka doon. Yes. Kulang sa pera. Para sa pera. See you soon. Enjoy and good luck sa New Zealand.
so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when the world has brought you down to your knees. That I'll be there for you when the rain starts to pour. I'll be there for I've been there before. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too.
Ginawa ko tong video na to para ipaalam sa kaibigan kong pinaka-importante at pinakamamahal ko. Nasaan ka man ngayon? Hindi ko malilimutan yung mga pinagsamahan natin. Yung mga kalokohan ginawa natin ng college. Isa sa mga pinakamasayang araw. Kung nasaan ka man ngayon, gusto ko lang sabihin na maligayang araw man. Happy birthday, brother! Mahal na mahal kita.
I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too.
Malapit! Malapit!